Welcome back to SEMA. Well, is this day 2 or is this day, I don't know what day it is, but today is Tuesday and today is the day where it's finally open to public. The doors literally opened maybe 20 minutes ago, and I just felt like we needed to do this intro in front of the big TJ head. That's pretty cool looking. Today is the big day. We have a very, very busy schedule, and I'm gonna take you guys right by my side because we're gonna be unveiling the 400Z, we're gonna be unveiling the BRZ, we're gonna be doing ride-alongs and a drift taxi that we've never driven before. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very excited, and if you guys haven't heard me talk about it, we have some really cool SEMA and Hunt & Company collab clothing dropping this Saturday. I'm wearing one of the t-shirts. We have a BRZ t-shirt, 400Z t-shirt, an amazing sweatshirt. We also have a Veilside t-shirt. But first things first, we have a meet and greet at McGuire's, so let's go there. For those who watch the Japan videos, I said the first person to come up to the vlog at SEMA and say the words Haka Ono, I would give you 10 seconds of free airtime to say whatever you want. Got to our meet and greet line, the first person in line looks me dead in the eyes.
Bro, I was not ready for this, I'm so nervous.
Well, dude, you got 10 seconds starting now.
It's so nice to finally meet you, bro. I'm Jacob.
Nice to meet you, Jacob.
I'm Jacob Jensen, and I also have a YouTube channel and I make builds, so come check it out. Thank you so much.
Put you on the spot.
I know, bro.
Finished the McGuire's meet and greet. I seriously love saying what's up to you guys. I can't believe that some of you even remember the Haka Ono. I forgot about Haka Ono. And then everyone come and saying it, and I was like, oh my God, you're totally right. Anyways, we are now heading to the Optima battery booth where we're gonna be driving the drift taxi. Now, I would be lying if I was to say I wasn't a little bit nervous. I'm used to right-hand drive. Now I'm driving left-hand drive.
Oh, come on.
I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous, so let's get after it. They've been working on the car for the last like 30 minutes, getting a little bit of a late start. They were fixing something, Jimmy fixed it. So we're gonna go down there and get a little shakedown. We're gonna send me by myself, just make sure the car feels good and I get a little bit comfortable with it. I'm excited to drive this thing. This thing is rowdy. This is my first V8 drift car I've ever driven, so I'm excited to see how this V8 life feels. Heard a lot of great things about it.
Finished his drift session, and we're going through Toyo Tread Pass.
We're going to look at the Earths we tried to look at earlier.
We're going to see what kind of car Sabrina knows.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that game.
No.
I like that game.
Okay. I've been getting really better. You guys know that I've been getting better. You know that I've been learning, being around all these car guys all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, that is sick. Dude, that is actually
sick. What is that?
That's a Streethunter Brz.
Are you kidding me, Kev? What is that?
What is that?
Obviously,
Dude,
I know. I'm giving the test.
Come on, dude.
Anthony, I know, please. I'm giving the test. I got to ask the questions. Sabrina.
It isn't it? Yeah.
Solid.
I know. I don't.
So what are you going to do?
Okay, so I need your guys' help in the comments. Let me know.
This is Liberty Walk.
This is Liberty Walk, yes. This would be blown off in a week if it were me.
I'll give it a couple hours.
Okay, thank you, Kevin, for believing in me. I do like this, though. This looks really good. I like the back. And I do like the color. Oh, these are new.
Oh, that is really sick.
This is a full wide.
Yeah, that's dope.
See, I just don't know if I want to go full wide body. All you guys are like, take it to RDBLA, like do something sick. I do want an exhaust and a tune for sure. But that's definitely happening.
A tune.
I want a burble tune where it goes.
Downpipes?
Yes.
Wow.
Cool.
The car is already aggressive. I feel like this is like.
That's what I'm gonna say. Like, I don't want to overdo it. This to me is kind of overdone. Sorry, Liberty Walk, but I want like Novatech is so sleek.
Yeah, I agree.
You know?
I do agree.
It's an E46.
Oh.
No.
It's an E30.
It's an E30. Okay, I don't know anything. This is an R34.
This is.
Did you get that on camera?
I got that on cam.
It's an R32.
Yes.
Okay.
It's got carbon fiber.
What else? What else does it have?
Carbon fiber.
What else?
Carbon fiber.
Anything else?
Carbon fiber. Dude, nasty.
Nasty.
Yo, look at this. It's like a.
Dude, oh my, look at that interior.
This is gonna be an entire vlog on TJ. So this is a color that we're potentially thinking about for the Earth. I know you guys know.
You're revealing it?
I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. Do you guys think I should do this color? Ruby Star Red by Announce Tag.
Absolutely.
Well, I wasn't asking you guys. I was asking them actually.
Oh, I guess we don't matter. We don't matter.
No, you guys do. But
Look at that color.
look at that.
Today's video is sponsored by SEATGEEK. Live events, sporting events, concerts, it's all back. And you guys can save $20 off your first SEATGEEK order. SEATGEEK is the best platform to buy tickets because they make it super easy and it's all in one place. Some of you guys know I'm a big Padres fan, and right now we are in the playoffs against the Dodgers. Now I'm looking for tickets for the next game, and my favorite thing is how you can choose your seats, and it actually shows you the perspective and the view from where you're actually gonna be seating. The seats are labeled green for a good price, yellow for an okay price, and red for not so good price. Whether it's sporting events, concerts, live events, anything, SEATGEEK has it all. The next time you're looking for tickets to something, use code TJ and you can save $20 off your first purchase. Click the link down below and download the app and just use the code and enjoy the $20 off. Thank you over to our friends at SEATGEEK for hooking it up, and now let's get back to today's video.
First off, I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing up. This is such a cool opportunity that Magniflow gives us, and this is the 3rd year that we have been here in a row with a new Streethunter car. And what makes this year very, very special, we have 2 cars that we have put so much time into. If you've been watching anything from me on the internet for the past 5, 7 years, 8 years, whatever it is, you guys know the BRZ means the world to me. And one of the first questions I always got was, when are you going to make a Gen 1 BRZ kit? When are you going to make a Gen 1 FRS kit? And I always held off, and I held off, and I held off. And when the new BRZ came out, I was like, this is it. This is where we're going to come out swinging, we're going to come out strong. I just think we nailed it. It brings a tear to my eye when I see it. So if I could get a couple boys up here and let's get this thing unrolled, and you guys can see what this thing looks like, and I'll talk about it. A lot to unpack here with this car. First off, the first thing that we really wanted to achieve with this car is we wanted to make this thing look pissed off in the front. And I know it's a little crowded right now, but you guys will have to come back later and get a real view of this, because this was the first time that Streethunter has ever done full replacement parts. You'll notice, I think, is everyone's favorite, a complete front end redesign. This redesign was heavily inspired by the GR Corolla, and this is where John really worked his magic. Made a complete new aggressive face, followed by the front fenders. And the hood, the front bumper, the front fenders is all 100% bolt-on, zero cutting. I really encourage you guys to come up close and look at the details of this car. The line work, the OEM-esque that we really tried to deliver really follows through. Wide bodies don't need exposed hardware anymore, so we wanted to change the scene a little bit. So you'll notice in the rear, it's absolutely zero exposed hardware, which gives this car, when at first glance, you're like, that looks OEM. Followed by a huge wing, which we had a lot of amazing partners. Shout out to Battle Aero for that. I encourage you guys, don't be too aggressive, but come over here, and I literally encourage you to come and touch this wing. This thing has a full trunk-mounted support system that we might even open up later in the show. And when you see it, has a full contraption that holds a lot of downforce. And that was one thing we really wanted to push through with this car. We wanted that thing to be as functional as possible. I think every year at Streethunter we've tried to learn from certain things we've done in the past. Again, this is our 3rd year up and running, and we wanted to take what we've learned and apply it to every single car. So the Streethunter Brz is absolute perfection.
Dude, get a look at that.
That's fine. Look, dude, just f***ing relax. I like it.
No, I was letting you see it.
This won't fit me. Limit dish. 2.
Everybody go ahead and go.
Kim Kardashian, I love you.
Everything went great.
Back up.
Everything went great.
Come on. Excuse me, sir.
Everything went great. I'm so happy. I'm so exhausted. But the reveals went super good. I think they liked it. No one booed, so that's probably a good thing. And now everyone's really hungry. Oh no! Now everyone's really hungry. So so now we're gonna go get some food because I'm fucking hungry, baby. Woo!
Underglow.
What the f?
I just got a DM. Somebody sent me. One of you made an Instagram for Jumby's mobile.
Yeah.
$97
Jumby, what is it? Jumby's mobile.
What the fuck?
I'm saucing that guy a follow.
No, I followed him back, but that was so fast. And it's 97.
You trying to take advantage of your new business?
I wish. I don't have the login.
Dude, fire that up. This guy, share that to the page.
I have a jump.
I just showered, refreshed myself, and we're going back out tonight because we have some dinners to go to. But I just want to say, while it's so fresh on my mind and while I'm still processing everything. Today was extremely overwhelming in a lot of good ways. I love these videos because I can have you guys literally follow me throughout the day and you can see the madness that is SEMA. And I live for it, I love it. As I'm there and as I do all the meet and greets and I get to like see you guys and say what's up and a lot of familiar faces from the previous years, which I absolutely love. I always get a lot of people that are asking like, yo, like, you know, where Streethunter is now, like, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? And I wanna like use this moment because again, I'm processing everything and it's so fresh in my mind. And I tell every single person at the meet and greets, and I wanna tell you watching this video, everything you're seeing might look crazy. And I see comments like, started at a rep kit, now he has Streethunter. Like, you can do the same thing. Just because I have this now doesn't mean like it's not possible. Like when I started, I had nothing. And I still had my own struggles that I dealt with this year and I still deal with of figuring out how to, you know, grow this and grow that and budget for all these builds. Like, it's not easy for me. And I think that I only show this like completed or I show the glamour like stuff. And I just want to say that even me at my size where I am now, it's still hard. And I work my ass off to pull off everything. For you watching, if you want to be the next Streethunter, or you want to be the next big YouTube creator, or you want to be the next big race car driver, whatever, you can do it. You just have to get off your ass and try. Not for 6 months, not for 8 months, not for a year. You need to try until you can no longer breathe. If you want to be successful as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. Which essentially this means I've been doing this for 8 years, 9 years now, and this is where it is. That didn't come overnight. It might look like it if you're a new viewer. Oh, look at all this, look at all this new stuff, this, that. It's like, I've been grinding my ass off. And I love doing it, which is why I go so hard. It's just something I'd rather do. Once you find that, you'll be successful, I promise. So I hope you guys seeing all that, you use it as like a little bump start to be like, get off your ass and get going. That being said, we have a McGuire's dinner party to go to, so let's go. Tonight I have a group of +3 for our McGuire's dinner at a place called Momofuku. We actually eat here every single year. So this will be our 3rd time. I'm very excited.
A little what?
Daddy
Reds are way better.
I meant to have this ending be a lot longer, but by the time we got back from dinner or finished dinner, I was like, damn, I'm way too exhausted to continue this. But I want to end on a positive note. Today was amazing. Saying what's up to you guys is amazing. Hearing you guys' feedback in person is amazing. I hope these videos give you guys a cool perspective of how just ridiculous these days are. It's 10:30 in Vegas and I'm going to bed. That feels like a sin. But we have a big day ahead of us tomorrow and I'm excited to go after it and go get it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and keep moving forward.